Okay, so this will I'll walk through with the passenger side.
What you boys up to today?
Okay, going to take this dash, which we have just not rewired, used the big schematic.
Verified some wires.
Here we go.
Yeah, let's see your new schematic.
Highly recommend. This is all on laminated plastic.
What did you spend for it?
70, I think shipping and everything was like 30 some bucks.
Yep. Oh,
But-
plasticcarwiring.com.
Yeah, there you go. Classic car.
Pretty
And everything
nice.
is the exact factory colors, so you can trace all your lines out on your connectors. It really, really helped. And you can see all the hack jobs that are under your dash by having this, because we had colors not matching. As you can see, we had to wire some stuff. Wires were gone, although the original was there. And then we spliced on.
Oh, I see your splices here.
But connectors are good, fuses and all that. I had to take this connector, it was a flat one. It was so boogered up that this is actually a pinball connector, but the pins go in just fine, so matched up what comes out of the column. So as long as you keep your pins right.
Cool.
So that's done.
So you wanted to verify all of your wires since this wasn't hooked up. It was a basket
Right.
case car that you
Yes.
put together.
I didn't take it out, so we found out that this is the negative coil. As you can see, the hint is this goes through the firewall.
Yeah.
This is to the for the tack.
Gotcha. Okay, cool.
So
Did you want to review any of the wires? Or are you ready to
no,
put it
we're
in?
ready to take this out and walk it through. And then I ended up not using the they're like big metal screws, because the holes are a little stripped out, and this doesn't want to stay in there to try to plug all these in. So I'm going to put some regular bolts, or nuts and bolts.
Yep, cool.
And really suck it up against the firewall.
Nice.
So we're ready to loosen this off our stand. That you built.
Should just loosen and then slide right up off the top.
I know it.
What are you doing over there, Doug?
I don't know.
Righty tighty, lefty
off.
loosey.
This has to go down.
I think I'm.
We have it. Put some connectors. We have the matching wires that go to the speaker for the radio. Of course, then this is the power, and this is, I believe, the light. So
Let's see. Was this wire just... Oh, this was disconnected?
that was just laying there with these 3 bare wires,
Chopped off?
and this one was bare as well.
The orange is all the lights.
Yeah, that's pretty much
Right.
just the light. So
Indicators.
it probably comes on with the key.
Gotcha.
This is what you'll do when you put it all together and you hook it up and you think, oh, my lights are on and I got them all off. Then you'll find out that it's hot all the time, or hopefully it's a switch with key. At least that's the way the schematic seemed to.
What are you doing, Doug? You just loosen it and it slides up off.
You don't take it all the way off.
What are you doing?
I don't know. This is.
It's loose.
Okay.
Just lift it off of
It
there.
wasn't. It wasn't loose enough for me to lift.
Okay.
Okay, I'm off.
I'm off.
Doug finally figured it out.
It took me a while.
Hang on, hang on.
I'm upside down backwards, so
What's all this?
righty tighty, lefty loosies
What is all
backwards.
this? I don't think we knew about this one.
It's all inside. It doesn't go outside.
Oh, I bet that's console.
Console?
Yeah. All right, I got to go in first.
Yeah, go this way.
You're the passenger. The dark passenger.
Wait, hopefully you won't have on film where we scratched the car.
We've been pretty lucky so far.
I got it.
If you had a third person, they might be able to hold the door open for you and stuff like
I
that.
gotta get in
Yep,
first.
get yourself maneuvered.
This is good classic TV. Wholesome entertainment.
Laurel and Hardy,
Mutt and Jeff,
Three Stooges.
Beavis and Butthead. All right, you're good, Doug. I'm gonna come around and watch him put it on the pegs here.
Hang on, we gotta get this maneuvered so we can. Does this stay up here or does this go down below?
What's that? It goes down below.
Okay, so. There, I guess.
What are you breaking over there, Doug?
Okay. Whoa! I thought I was in. It's got to tilt back.
Yeah.
To get it to.
Pull that washer out.
I'm trying
The
to.
washer's on the outside of it.
Trying to loosen it a little.
I think we gotta tilt forward a little more for me to get down this way. I can't get around the steering shaft column.
I know it's. You got to push. Hang on. I need. Never mind.
Can I get mine? Try to get mine down first.
I'm on mine. Now I can
About
tilt.
6 inches away from mine.
Yeah, it's got to. It's the steering column that's got to go under. There we go. It's very hard getting it around the This would be nice if it were out, but I don't know that we can get it back in there. How are you? You need a light?
I'm still about an inch away. It's too high.
Okay. Well, let's.
Hang on, this has to go down too.
Yeah.
Can you feed it down?
There we go.
Okay.
Close.
Close, but it's not.
I'm going down. Hang on.
Now we gotta come.
Hang on, hang on.
This.
That's got to go under.
Is the radio bumping?
There.
Ow, ow, ow.
Yeah. Oh,
Can I have my arm back? Okay, hang on.
that'll make a good.
I'm still not on the.
Gotta close it in there.
Are you on it?
Cockeyed. I'm getting hung up on the washer.
Oh, I know it. Mine was the same way.
There we go.
Okay.
It's on.
All right.
She's on there.
Screw right there.
Cool.
Which one did I have this on?
Are you gonna just throw a couple bolts temporarily to hold it in place, Pop?
Looks like he's got a wire tie.
I
Oh,
just
you
put
just-
a wire tie on that one. Okay, now,
You got it?
yeah. I don't have. I need a wire tie on this side.
You call them wire ties? Are they zip ties? Is that
No,
what you
it's
mean?
a wire.
It's just a baling wire.
Oh, you need some baling wire?
Yeah, it's on the top of my toolbox. I thought I had two of them up here. I had this in once.
Doo-doo-doo-doo.
Yeah, it's probably.
Is it on the top of your toolbox? Well, I have some in mine. Hold on.
Yeah, I need about
Doo-doo-doo-doo.
3 inches.
All right, hold that a second.
Thank you kindly. And you can show here what we. This takes bolts, and it looks like this one needs a. No, that's where the pad goes on. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 that hold the dash up, so you can pivot it. But I'm just going to stick a.
You stick a piece of baling wire on it
Yeah.
now to hold it.
Just to hold it, because I'm probably going to need to tap it down to get the steering column back up. And
Yeah.
You just want one baling wire tie?
yeah, one.
Okay. Can do.
And hopefully the pad. I've been waiting to put the pad on first, but having a bunch of problems with the company.
What are you doing?
Yeah,
Just through where the bolt goes?
Yep.
Is that all your plan is? Pull it up.
Yep. That's the plan, so we don't have any slipping, because figure plastic, it could cut the plastic tie.
I see
There we go.
what you mean.
And this is just temporary. Okay. All right, now we can feel confident about working under there.
Cool.
Get the steering column all back up.
Oh, you put one over there?
Yeah, it's just a small one. I've got it twisted up inside there.
Oh, you got it twisted, all right.
We are twisted.
Yep. Okay, now get the block through the hole up there and start hooking up all the harnesses. And heck, if everything hooks up right, get some gas in it. I got water.
Firing this baby up here in a
We'll
bit.
be firing it up.
Nice. All right, that's good for today. Nice
right.
job, fellas.
Thank you.
See everybody soon. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.